Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to lodge your Australian tax return by yourself using MyGov. Quick, secure, and straight from your browser. First, gather everything. Your tax file number, your employer PAYG income statements or final payslips, bank interest statements, dividend statements, any government payments, rental income details, private health insurance statement, and records of work-related expenses or other deductions like donations and self-education. Keep receipts. You'll need them if the ATO asks. Step 1. Go to mygov.gov.au and sign in, or create a MyGov account if you don't have one. Once logged in, link the ATO service. You'll find Services and then Australian Taxation Office, and follow the prompts to connect securely. Step 2. Open the ATO's Lodge or Prepare and Lodge section for the current year. Use the ATO's Pre-Fill option. It pulls in your employer income statements, reportable super, and some government payments automatically. Always check the pre-filled numbers against your own documents. Pre-fill will save you time and reduce mistakes. Step 3. Add any income not pre-filled, then enter deductions. For work-related claims, be honest and only include expenses you actually paid and can substantiate. Add offsets or special items like private health details or zone offsets if applicable. Don't forget to nominate your bank account for a refund. Step 4. Review the whole return carefully. The ATO will show a tax estimate. When you're satisfied, submit, and you'll get an instant confirmation and a receipt in your MyGov inbox. Save or screenshot that confirmation. A few quick tips. The individual lodgement deadline is usually October 31, unless you use a registered tax agent. Keep records for 5 years. If you're unsure about a claim, ask the ATO or consult a tax agent. That's it! Using MyGov and the ATO pre-fill makes lodging your return fast and reliable. Subscribe the channel for more videos.